my channel. This is Jem. So, in today's video, as you can see down below, yung title ng video na to is Shopee, Lazada, and something else haul. Well, wala akong nilagay na something else because I got something else from a different shop and it's not from Shopee and Lazada. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, first off, the first thing that I got during the 12/12 sale are these earrings that I'm wearing right now. And it's from Lazada. Don't worry, I'll be linking all the things that I got during the 12/12 sale down below. I'll zoom you guys in just so you could see. So, this is what I got. So, it's like mini hoop, pero hindi siya tapos. Like, may space. So, parang siyang studs. Pero at first sight, parang you see na it's like dangling, but no, it's not. Studs siya. Ayan, no? Yan. May space talaga siya dyan sa gilid. I only got this pair for, yung price niya ngayon, 272 pesos sa Lazada. Pero, ang alam ko, 100 plus ko lang ito nakuha. So, moving on, I got organizers, which I'll be featuring in my next vlogs. Sample lang to. Sorry, may undies talaga akong nilagay dito para makita nyo kung ano itsura. So, I got this. And then, it comes with also the bra organizer. This one. Kasama niya to. Plus, ito. Parang panty organizer. May butas lang siya dun sa gilid kaya nahuhulog. I'm so sorry. Pero may butas lang siya dyan kasi hindi ko siya zinipper. Kasi talagang dapat zinizipper yung likod. So, it has like 24 slots for the panties. This one naman yung sa bras, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 slots for the bras. And then, this one, you can put either waist shaper, body shaper, panty, bra na nakatupi. 6 slots naman to. So guys, diba, parang sulit siya. And I got those 3, just one transaction from Shopee. And it is 140 pesos lang, sis. Moving on naman, I got an organizer as well. So, actually, it's not really for the bags, but I made it for the bags, for my bag. So, it's this one. 4 slots na bookshelf. Parang siyang book organizer, but I made it for my clutches. Kasi ang gulo-gulo na talaga dun sa bag area ko, sa bag closet ko. So, diba guys, parang ano pa siya, like very sturdy kasi it's in acrylic. Like, matibay siyang plastic. I think it's around 444 for 3. For 4 slots. Kasi guys, meron din palang 3 slots lang. I'll show you guys how. Wait lang. Sorry. So, this is the 3 slot naman. This is the 3 slot bag / book organizer. So, in the total of 3 acrylic transparent book stand na yung 4 slot, tapos yung 3 slots, it's in the total of 1868, which is not that bad considering na yung Muji 1 Plus yun, guys. Moving on, I got another organizer. So, this one naman, it's a jewelry box organizer. And it's in the color white. And I think medyo pricey ito nung binili ko kasi hindi pa 12/12 nun. Pero alam ko nung 12/12, nagmura pa rin siya. Pero right now, I feel like mahal. Nasa 999. Pero I got this for 900 pesos because I used my Shopee coins. This one, it has a lock. This is the good thing about it. It has a lock. And then it also has this tiny key for this. So, let me show you guys. So, ipapasok nyo lang yung parang fork na style na key. Tapos, ipapasok nyo lang siya dito. Here, guys. Pinasok ko lang siya dito. Tapos, you just twist it. Ayan. Tara! Parang you can open it na. Ayan, guys. So, I put my real jewelry inside. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots for the necklaces. Here sa ibabaw, nakalagay dito yung first layer. So, it has like 2 layers. So, for the studs, ito, for the studs. And then this one, may studs ulit or dangling. Kasi this is actually removable. So, it's pretty good. Like, it's okay na for me for the price. And then, it has 1, 2, 3, 6 slots for, I don't know, rings or earrings din ulit. I put here naman my bracelets. So, dito, it has like 6 slots for the watches or the bracelets. So, diba guys, parang worth it na to for the price. Kasi, isipin nyo yun, parang may lock na siya eh. Sobrang rare lang na magkaroon ng lock ang jewelry box na kinukuhanan ng mga tao nowadays. Like, usually, diba, nagpapagawa pa, tapos nagpapasadya pa. syempre, mas mahal yun. Ayun, guys. Wait. Ayun, oh. I'll show you how I will lock it. So, it's just, you have to twist it to the... Yan. Hindi na siya, hindi na siya na... Ayun, oh. Hindi ko na siya So, ayun. It's 900 pesos from Shopee when I got it. So, moving on, I got... This is not an organizer naman, guys. Tapos na tayo sa organizers. This one is from Xiaomi.com.ph ata. Not sure. So, it's a smart galvanic lifting gua sha massager. This is the box. And then, it's a small machine thing for the face. So, it's actually a good product for firming the face, for lifting the face, and for contouring the face. So, when I opened it, I got this right away. And this one, it comes with this manual. So, it's the instruction book. And on the end of it, it has the English translation. Because on the first part, I believe Xiaomi is a Chinese brand. Ayun. And then this one, you have to long press it so that it works. So, ayun guys, parang, I don't know if you can hear. Parang medyo sensitive lang siya. It has like 2 options. So, if you pressed it like for a long time, so red yung light. If you press it another time, there, it's a blue light. So, if it's a blue light na, it goes on and on. Like, it works for a long time. Kasi pag yung, again, the red one, it's just for a few seconds. Every time you touch the face, it adjusts. So, the red one, I believe it adjusts and it's just for a limited time on where you want to put it on the face. So, this part is actually for the jaw or for here. And then, this curved part is for the bags. Wow, the bags. I'm not so sure, but I feel like it's for the under eye area. It feels good, guys. Like, it's relaxing. It's really relaxing. And I really feel like it's really doing something underneath my skin. So, yeah, I'll be linking down below where I got this again. This one naman, this is DeFi Age, guys. This is not sponsored, okay? This one really saved my skin. As you can see, guys, like parang, kahit naka-concealer, I'm wearing concealer right now, okay? But, look at that. Like, talagang, ang ganda ng kutis ko right now. Like, parang siyang shiny. Parang shiny, glowy. Pero glowing yung skin ko right now. And it's not parang nakakaputi na talagang gluta levels. But it contains glutathione na ha. But the main purpose why I love this product is because my skin doesn't break out as much as I used to know. Like, when I used to see my skin every morning, I used to get like bumps that are like very visible and tiny. I always get cystic acne, and as you can see, like, parang meron pa rin naman akong mga whiteheads ganyan, pero normal na lang yun eh. So, ayan guys, oh. May maliit akong whitehead dito. It wasn't like before na talagang tad-tad and hindi ganun ka-light pa yung skin ko. Hindi siya nakaka-brighten pa ng skin ko. I really swear by this product. But before you buy this product, I suggest you have to consult first with your doctor if ever na sensitive yung balat nyo, sensitive yung immune system nyo, because there are ingredients here that are not suitable for some people. Like, my friend, she actually wanted to try this out, but she saw like an ingredient that she's not supposed to be taking. So, yeah, she stopped. Besides that, from the people and from the other influencers that I saw that were posted in the IG feed of DeFi Age, ang gaganda talaga ng results sa kanila. And no promotional ek. They didn't tell me to include it in this video, but I got this because it was a sale. It was sale nung binili ko to in Shopee. Yung nag-sale siya na 40% off. I got it for 1.7. So guys, diba? Parang sulit talaga nung binili ko to. Tsaka, you just take 2 capsules a day before breakfast or before dinner, whichever meal of the day, during the day, you plan to take it. But make sure na you take it 30 minutes before you eat. So, yeah. I really suggest... Ay! I really suggest for you guys to check this out because hindi kayo magsisisi. So this one, I got this from Shopee. So it's called the Travel Compartments Medicine Case Box Holder Storage Organizer. Ang dami sinabi, sis. It is 87 pesos when I got it. So it was 87 and 12 cents. I'm really happy about this. I'm really happy. And of course, I got pink, but they have other colors. Pero guys, TBH, nung inopen ko to kanina. Parang sumama yung katawan, yung pink dito. Sumama dito sa loob ng circle thing. Ayan guys, oh. You know, you can't complain. It's just 87 pesos. Pagka-open ko sa kanya, look, oh. May 4 compartments. So, ganyan lang siya. Plastic lang siya. You can flip this to here. Tapos, pwede rin siyang lagyan pa ng ibang stuff. So, I got this. So, guys, it's inside. It's this one. Organizer siya ng bag. So, I got the black one. Ito siya. Pwede may lalagyan ng AirPods. Medyo malalim siya, guys. Malalim talaga siya. Tapos, meron pang lalagyan ng makeup dito. Dalawang side pockets dito. Tapos, dito, guys, sorry, may napkin. Pero may pocket din siya ulit dito. Magkabilaan sila, magkakatapat sila. So, malalaki silang bulsa dito. 1, 2, tapos sa gitna, wala nang parang nakaharang dyan. It's just na yupi lang siya because it won't fit. But, meron din pa siya dito sa gilid na gitna, if you guys know what I mean. Anyway, I always bring the organizer here. I always put it inside this Longchamp bag. Take note, this is a small version of the Longchamp. It's a classic Longchamp bag that I always bring to work. Pero I got 3 because I gave the largest one to my mom, which is color red, that fits nicely inside her LV on-the-go bag. Guys, this is the medium. So I put it inside my LV Neverfull, but this model is the rare version because I believe yung sizes ng LV Neverfull, they're all large. They're all super big totes. But this one, since I'm just 5 flat, take note, I'm just a petite girl, I got this bag. Kasi it really fits my body frame well. So, ito guys, ito yung red. Ayan, no, kasya talaga siya guys, look. Diba? Parang ang ganda niya. Nag-explain pa ako dun sa maliit. Diba guys? Parang super worth it. And this is the size medium. I got the three bag organizers, small, medium, and large for a total of 810 with the shipping fee already. The last item that I got is actually a budol from Tony Sia, my friend Tony. This is the Easy Peasy Nipple XL Lift nipple pads. They're supposed to be a big, booby-friendly, guaranteed to lift saggy breasts, soft and comfortable, ultra-thin and seamless, reusable and washable, sweat-proof and long-lasting, stay sticky after washing. So, if you guys are gonna wear something like this, probably like a halter top, it would be necessary for you guys to feel like, I don't know, parang dapat magmukha pa rin perky yung boobs nyo or yung chest area nyo kapag lalabas kayo, pag tamad na kayo mag-bra. Syempre, there are girls that are really tired of wearing bras, especially ngayong quarantine pa rin. This is really good, lalo na kapag bibili ka lang ng grocery or mag-errands ka lang, punta kang bank. You don't really need to wear a bra. So this is what it looks like. And guys, so parang dalawa yung ipipil nyo. Parang isa dito sa pang-lift, tapos yung isa pang nipple tape. So, you just have to put it here, tapos eto, ididikit nyo talaga dun para tumaas talaga. I got it for 379 pesos during the 12/12 sale. Sobrang worth it talaga. Worth it talaga yun eh. Kasi good quality, same lang naman sa mga expensive brands ng nipple tape. So, yeah, and washable, easy to wash lang. Warm water, tapos itatap nyo lang ng dry towel para matuyo. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next videos that I'll be doing. Maybe vlogs, maybe the next video that will be posted is makeup. Yeah, so if you guys want me to do other videos, give me some ideas, comment down below. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and hit the bell button if you haven't, and see you on the next one. Bye!